we're at CES 2011. We're still on the Sony stand. If you want to check out the other videos that we've done, go and check them out. And before we leave, Eric, we've got to talk about the future. They say that the future's bright. We've had a look at some of your prototypes. So maybe you can tell some of the forum members what you've shown us today and what could possibly be products of the future.
Well, yeah, the future is bright actually, and I think CES sums it up. You yourself have said this year's had a bigger and more noisy buzz about it. There's more people here, there's more technologies here and so on. We've been particularly pleased to be able to show some glimpses of future ideas. These are all non-commercial products. In other words, they are only prototypes. There's no launch timing or any kind of things like that we can talk about. But what I can tell you is some of the things that we are showing here. We're showing glasses-free 3D in three forms. We're showing it in terms of an OLED display, which is around, I think, 24.5 inches. We're showing it in a 46-inch 2K LCD panel, and we're showing a 56-inch version in a 4K panel. And the reaction, again, has been tremendous. I mean, we still think for the best 2D picture quality coupled with the 3D performance, that the active shutter glasses are the optimum way to go. And I think that's been endorsed quite well, because a lot of people have said, from looking around at other types of systems, wow, this is really great 3D. But those are the things we've been showing. And in addition, we've also shown, for instance, a glasses-free portable Blu-ray player, 3D Blu-ray player, with about, I think it's around a 10-inch screen or 10.1-inch screen, and quite a good battery life on it as well. And that's all open for everyone to have a look at. Nothing's closed door. We're quite happy to let everybody see it, because these kind of future prototype concepts are very important to show our commitment to technology development and R&D and so on. Now, also staying again with the vision element, we've shown something that looks extremely Star Trek, which is a 3D headset. That's what I would call it. It's a visor that you place on, and it's got built-in multi-channel sound. And inside it, there are two OLED screens. And these are HD screens. They're completely independent for each other. There's absolutely no crosstalk, nothing whatsoever. And you can get a completely immersed experience, which really, really does put you right in the center of the action. So those are some of the things. I mean, there are other new products here that are coming, that are real things, like a 3D camcorder with a glasses-free LCD panel built in, so you can look at the content as you've recorded it and get some idea of how you've done in terms of the 3D movie you've just shot.
Now, we were talking about OLED there, and I think one of the disappointments on the forums this year is again that there's no big announcements of really large screen OLED technology. Is there a reason for that, Eric?
Well, OLED's something that we're developing for professional application. We've launched actual models for broadcast use. OLED's a different technology, as you very well know, and the production process is quite different. The race is on to make bigger and bigger panels with 3D and to be competitive as we can. This is one of the reasons why we've striven to improve large screen LCD performance, like we looked at earlier with the HX8 and the HX9 series. So I think that there's a lot of display technology available. Go out, check it out and enjoy it.
Eric, it's great to speak to you, and thanks very much for all your time.